Give you the Bear & Son cutlery. It is the C347 Yellow Delrin Large Stockman 4th generation blade. Comes in this nice beautiful box. Their motto is, we build them tough, we build them right, we build them here. And that's in in Jacksonville, Alabama. And it is a beautiful box. But enough about the box. Let's open it up like it's Christmas. Oh wow, look at that. Comes in a piece of plastic here. And there it is. Oh, look at this beauty. So on here, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but that little itty bitty nickel silver bolster says carbon 4th generation. Yeah, it says 4th generation. Sorry, I had to use my glasses for a minute. Carbon 4th generation. Alright, so such a beautiful knife. Made in Jacksonville, Alabama by Bear & Son Cutlery. Now, so we'll go ahead and beautiful knife, or beautiful pocket knife, I'm sorry. So anyways, the reason why I got this knife specifically, there's a couple of reasons. One, it's American made. Why I bought this is because it has something that I have not seen too many other pocket knives have, and that's a carbon steel. These blades, there's 3 of them in here actually, but we'll get onto that here in a minute. But these blades are 1095 carbon steel. So the handle material, this yellow, is yellow Delrin, and it's a beautiful pocket knife. The way that they did this, it's nice and smooth. In fact, the only thing you don't feel this edge on them. It's actually, you don't feel that. It's nice and polished. The only thing you do real feel is the brass, or not the brass, but the pivots or pins. You feel those a little bit, but I mean it's so minute. I mean they just did a beautiful job on this. I mean I'm well pleased with this knife, or this product. The closed length of this is 4 inches. Okay, from one end to the other it's 4 inches. Blade length, oh man, look at that. That's so on the blade length it's 2 7/8. Weight is 2.5 ounces. Nickel silver bolsters, brass liners, and then it's a hollow ground blades. This 3 7/8 inch blade is either called the muskrat clip blade or the clip point, straight clip point, which means that from this section here it has a different angle and it's straight. It doesn't have a little curve like other ones do. There's also some people that call it the California clip. So that's 3 that I know of. Do you know any other names that they call this specific blade, point, tip, whatever you want to call it? Put it in the comments down below. So moving on, sheepfoot blade. Yes, the sheep's foot. Okay, and this one I believe is 2 7/8 inch, but don't quote me on that. Last one, the last little blade on here is the Spay blade, or the Maize, M-A-I-Z-E, Spay, S-P-A-Y or S-P-E-Y. You'll find that quite typical, but it has a nice little blade here. It's kind of curved. That is the Bear & Son Cutlery. Again, as I say with all my knives, they're not sponsoring me for these. Like I said, I actually found this knife by mistake because I was watching one of Dave Canterbury's blades, or not blades, but his videos. Wrapper model. I'll put these side by side comparison. The case is a little bit longer, just a smidge longer. I mean, it's not, you know. Two of the blades, the muskrat clip, or the clip point, the straight clip point, I'm sorry, and the sheep's foot, they both come out on this side where the little emblem is, the 4th generation. The spay blade, or the maze, comes out folding this way. That's the only one that folds out this way. The other two fold out this way. On the case, they both fold out this way. So I'll go ahead and open these blades. I'll make sure I don't cut myself because they are pretty sharp. I don't know how well you can see that on camera, but this is blade tip right there. So I don't know how well you can see that, but we'll put it on each other, I guess. Maybe you can see better. I don't know. So the case is a little bit bigger, but that's just an example. So again, Baron Son Cutlery. Again, I'm not getting paid by any of these guys. I just love knives. As you can already tell, I love knives. So again, thank you for watching. I hope this video was informational, and I dropped some knowledge up in there, or up in here for you. You know, those are a couple different knives that you might be interested if you're a collector, if you're a person wanting to go outside and enjoy the woods. Like I did say, the Baron Son Cutlery is a little bit more of the expensive side compared to the case, but is it worth it? Absolutely. It is a high carbon steel, 1095. Theoretically, you can strike sparks on there. They don't have a flat grind on it though, but you know, it's a pocket knife. What do you expect? You know, so that's the informational video. Thank you for watching. Y'all take care, stay safe, and enjoy the woods. This is that Montana guy. Take care.